Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your bike to Zwift. First, identify your bike type. Is it a road bike, mountain bike, or something else? Next, determine if you have a smart trainer, a classic trainer, or no trainer at all. This initial assessment is crucial for selecting the right sensors and ensuring a smooth setup process. We will cover all the essential steps to get you riding virtually in no time. To connect your bike, you'll need some essential gear. A smart trainer offers the most immersive experience, automatically adjusting resistance. If you have a classic trainer, you'll need a speed sensor and a cadence sensor, which typically cost around $40 to $60 each. For the most accurate data, a power meter is an excellent investment, providing precise wattage readings directly from your bike's drivetrain. Once you have your equipment, it's time to pair your devices. For computers, an ANT plus dongle is often required, plugging into a USB port. Mobile devices, like phones and tablets, typically use Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, for a direct connection. Ensure your sensors are awake by spinning your pedals, and keep your devices within a range of about 1 to 2 meters for a strong, reliable signal. Finally, open the Zwift app and navigate to the pairing screen. Here, you'll select your power source, controllable trainer if applicable, and cadence sensor. If you encounter issues, first check your sensor batteries and ensure no other apps are using the Bluetooth or ANT Plus connection. Sometimes, simply restarting your device or the Zwift app can resolve minor connectivity glitches, getting you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.